So now we've come to the place in our retaining wall that we want to put a set of stairs up into the backyard. So much like the first course of blocks that we've done for our footing and our foundations, we've layered some road base that's been compacted, and we're going to start to put our next course of stairs along this top edge here. So using your rubber mallet and your level, just ensure that you've got the level front and back. And as you put your blocks in, just continually check those levels so that once we've put our capping units on, everything's going to sit nice and neatly. Now that we've got our standard blocks in place, we're going to put our capping units on to finish those stairs off nicely. So what we've got is we've got some flexible adhesive. We're going to run the flexible adhesive along these top surfaces. Keep in mind that you want to get rid of any dust or moisture that's between the two, just so you get that good bond. Using the mallet, line up these faces nicely. Now with the top set, we've cut one of our capping units in half so that we can still achieve those units coming halfway through these standard blocks. And again, just make sure that both surfaces are free from some of the crusher dust and any moisture. Small taps with the mallet, just to get everything nicely lined up. And that's how we finish off those stairs for the Heron interlocking block range.